Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into a hot topic for investors: HDFC Bank versus ICICI Bank. Which one has the potential to make you rich in 2025? Grab your coffee, and let's break this down. First off, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are both titans in the Indian banking industry. As of today, HDFC Bank boasts a market cap of 13.10 lakh rupees crore, making it the top player in India and the fourth globally. ICICI Bank, not far behind, sits with a market cap of 8.90 lakh rupees crore. HDFC's dominance in the market is clear. But, when we look at recent performance, ICICI Bank shines. In Q3 FY25, ICICI reported a stellar 14.8% year-over-year net profit increase, while HDFC Bank posted a modest 2.2% increase. This indicates ICICI's robust credit expansion and stable asset quality. On the other hand, HDFC Bank showed strong deposit growth, though its advances growth lagged. So, what are the analysts saying? Most analysts are bullish on both banks but show a slight preference towards ICICI for its consistent growth and strong fundamentals. Projections for FY27 show ICICI with an ROA of 2.2% and an ROA of 16.8%, compared to HDFC's ROA of 1.8% and ROA of 13.9%. Motilal Oswal, for instance, has a buy rating for both, but with a higher target price for HDFC at 2,050 rupees versus 1,550 rupees for ICICI. Let's not forget HDFC's significant merger with HDFC Limited back in July 2023. HDFC versus ICICI. Which bank stock will make you rich in 2025? However, ICICI Bank's commitment to green financing is also noteworthy. With 21.4% of its 2023 lending portfolio dedicated to green financing, ICICI is aligning itself with global sustainability trends, which could attract environmentally conscious investors. Currently, both banks are experiencing short-term pressure, contributing to the downside in the Nifty 50. With the Nifty hovering around 22,900, it's a critical time for investors. Sashidhar Jagdishan at HDFC Bank and Sandeep Bakshi at ICICI Bank bring strong leadership to the table. Fun fact: Jagdishan is India's highest paid bank CEO. If you're considering long-term investment, HDFC Bank is recommended for a 12-18 month period with potential upside targets of 2,050 rupees to 2,200 rupees. For short-term traders, ICICI might offer exciting opportunities. So, what's the bottom line? Both HDFC and ICICI have their own strengths and future prospects. For those leaning towards a robust, long-term play, HDFC stands strong. Remember, the stock market is all about informed decisions and patience. So, which bank stock will make you rich in 2025? Only time will tell, but with the right strategy, you could stand to gain from either. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more investment insights.